Hello guys, just got home from school. I do not have a very good day today. I totally got pissed off with a principal today. I almost got suspended, but I really don't care. Alright, you know what, hell of it. I'm not going to school anymore, hell of it. Okay, well, first of all, yeah, you know what this color stands for, look at that. We're gonna get a blizzard. They got blizzard earlier today. Now it's still all the way up here. Oh, Chicago's under a blizzard warning. Cause we got a blowing snow. We got blowing snow. Oh fuck. Look at that. Tonight's for Thursday night. Yeah, look at the chance. That's got some very good chances. We're gonna be under a blizzard warning, right? We're gonna be under a blizzard warning anytime now. Tonight or tomorrow. Yeah, later on today we'll be under a blizzard warning. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. Plus 2 more, it will be 8. We got enough for snow coming. Well, we got first snow outside. And we got icicle sticks up in my ceiling. And we're gonna get like a major winter storm. I need a major blizzard. Because we're under a watch. Hold on, did it say a watch on? No, it didn't. We're under a winter storm watch. But we're gonna be under a blizzard anytime now. That thing's gonna move. That stuff's gonna move a little bit. Windshield's pushing it, say, push this way, go like this, and like this, and like that. That's exactly what I do. That's what's gonna happen. That's why we're getting blizzard, because look at these temperatures. Oh, by the way, stay tuned for more updates. Okay, 5 minutes later, we're under winter storm warning. That thing went off. I thought we're under a blizzard warning. That's what I thought. But no. But that's gonna change. Why we're under winter storm warning? The wind's gonna be gusts, sets into the snow, and possible a blizzard warning. That's 3 reasons why. Shit. You wanna look right now? Look. You wanna look right now? Look. That's vertical. Look at that. Look how big that is. Look how big that is right there. And look how much snow we got. Jesus Christ. First snow. Stay tuned for more updates. It will update about a warning. More later. Goodbye. Looking good. Looking very good. Okay, it's still a winter storm warning, but we got a snowstorm coming at us. We're still gonna get a blizzard warning. We might. Talk about 3 to 7 inches of snow mid blizzard on Tuesday, and we'll get say windy. Severe winter weather is gonna hit right toward us. And look at these temperatures. Jesus Christ! Look at these temperatures. Their temperature is gonna be -10s. That cautions school closing because of the temperature. 2. Night to be school closing or debates because of the snow and blowing. Wait, every time you get a blizzard, you don't go. Every time you get a blizzard, you don't go to school because it's a blizzard. If you got it this morning, it's canceled. Oh wow, look at this, look at this. 90, 80, 50, 80, 70, 60, 40. These temperatures are not right. The news channel's completely right. So the best snow chance we're gonna get is this. Blowing snow, possible. 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Plus 5. So 7 plus 5 will be a foot. We got another foot coming, y'all. And on Thursday, Tuesday, maybe about 2 inches. So we got over a foot coming, y'all. This is unbelievable. We are under a blizzard watch and a winter storm warning. This is unbelievable. This is actually the same as the day after tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, this actually, I'm not kidding. It looks like a day after tomorrow possible in this area because of this. We got blizzards, winter storms, heavy snowfall. Yeah, the day after tomorrow is actually my favorite movie. My favorite scene about it is the trail hit Los Angeles. This is saying like after the day after tomorrow. And it's not just here. It's like between North Dakota, South Dakota, to Ohio, into Canada. Stay tuned for more updates. Yeah. Okay, I'm going outside for a second. Whoa. Ice. Look at this. See that? That's ice. But I want to get this replica light right there. I want to get mine this side. There we go. I got to start walking this one because I don't want to get my feet wet. I want to get the biggest. Yeah, I don't care. I'll change my socks. Biggest one. I want all of them to come down. Oops, just hit my camera. Okay, I have the idea. This is not a good idea. I want to get the biggest one out of there. Okay, I got it. Got it. Fuck, I lost it. Ah, there it is. Ooh, ice, come on. Take one in the house.